डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस के ट्रांसलेशन के लिए मेरा इंग्लिश क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें। उसकी आवाज़ आज अलग लग रही है। हर वॉइस साउंड्स डिफरेंट टुडे। हर वॉइस साउंड्स डिफरेंट टुडे। ढलान बर्फ से ढकी हुई है। The slope was covered with snow. The slope was covered with snow. ढलान को हम कहते हैं स्लोप। मेरे भाई को आइसक्रीम से एलर्जी है। My brother is allergic to ice cream. My brother is allergic to ice cream. कुत्ता घंटों तक डाली को चबाता रहा। The dog chewed on the branch for hours. The dog chewed on the branch for hours. उसने अपने बिस्कुट पर थोड़ा जैम डाला। She added some jam to her biscuit. She added some jam to her biscuit. मुझे हंसी मजाक वाले मज़ेदार जोक सुनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। I love laughing at funny jokes. I love laughing at funny jokes. मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा कि तुमने इस मजाक को गंभीरता से लिया। I can't believe you took that joke seriously. I can't believe you took that joke seriously. मैं इतना थका हुआ था कि 12 घंटे लगातार सो गया। I was so exhausted that I slept for 12 hours straight. I was so exhausted that I slept for 12 hours straight. उसने ठंडे मौसम में पतली जैकेट पहनी थी। He wore a thin jacket in the cold weather. He wore a thin jacket in the cold weather. Thin jacket यानी पतली जैकेट। जब वह वापस आया उसके हाथ खाली थे। His hands were empty when he came back. His hands were empty when he came back. वापस आना यानी came back. मैं इस शोर को और सहन नहीं कर सकता। I can't stand this noise anymore. I can't stand this noise anymore. वह अपना पासवर्ड भूल गया और लॉग इन नहीं कर सका। He forgot his password and couldn't log in. He forgot his password and couldn't log in. मैंने गलती से गलत दवा ले ली। I took the wrong medicine by mistake. I took the wrong medicine by mistake. मैंने बोलने के लिए अपने सभी हिम्मत इकट्ठा की। I gathered all my courage to speak. I gathered all my courage to speak. Speak यानी बोलना और courage यानी हिम्मत। उसने जाने से पहले अपनी चीज़ें इकट्ठा की। He gathered his belongings before leaving. He gathered his belongings before leaving. क्या तुम यह आइसक्रीम शेयर करना चाहोगी? Do you want to share this ice cream? Do you want to share this ice cream? Share यानी बांटना। मैंने कल अपना चश्मा तोड़ दिया। I broke my glasses yesterday. I broke my glasses yesterday. मैंने पार्क के पास फूलों से भरा एक ठेला देखा। I saw a cart loaded with flowers near the park. I saw a cart loaded with flowers near the park. हम आधी रात को ताजगी के लिए सैर करने गए. We went for a walk at midnight to enjoy the cool air. We went for a walk at midnight to enjoy the cool air. वह अंधेरे में गायब हो गया. He disappeared into the darkness. He disappeared into the darkness. अंधेरे में वे अजीब आवाज़ सुन सकते थे. In the darkness they could hear strange noise. In the darkness they could hear strange noise. नल का पानी पीने के लिए सुरक्षित नहीं है. The tap water is not safe to drink. The tap water is not safe to drink. मुझे ऐसे मजाक पसंद नहीं आते जो दूसरों का मजाक उड़ाते हैं. I don't like jokes that make fun of others. I don't like jokes that make fun of others. मैंने एक पक्षी को डाली पर घोंसला बनाते देखा. I saw a bird building a nest on the branch. I saw a bird building a nest on the branch. मुझे अकेले रहने की आदत नहीं है. I am not used to being alone. I am not used to being alone. Alone यानी अकेले. वह जाग नहीं सका इसलिए वह सोफे पर सो गया. He couldn't stay awake, so he slept on the couch. He couldn't stay awake, so he slept on the couch. वह कागज़ लिखने के लिए बहुत पतला है. This paper is too thin to write on. This paper is too thin to write on. तूफान के बाद सड़कें खाली थीं. The streets were empty after the storm. The streets were empty after the storm. मैं उसका जन्मदिन भूल गया था. I forgot to wish her on her birthday. I forgot to wish her on her birthday. क्या रात में बाहर जाना सुरक्षित है? Is it safe to go outside at night? Is it safe to go outside at night? बिना जूते के बाहर मत जाना. Don't go outside without your shoes. Don't go outside without your shoes. बच्चे ने अपनी माँ का हाथ मजबूती से पकड़ा. The child held his mother's hand tightly. The child held his mother's hand tightly. Tightly यानी मजबूती से पकड़ना. उसने दाग को कपड़े से रगड़ा. He rubbed the stain with a cloth. He rubbed the stain with a cloth. तुम इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकते हो? How could you be so reckless? Reckless यानी लापरवाह. How could you be so reckless? तुम्हें अपने कर्मों का फल भुगतना होगा. You have to reap the fruits of your deeds. You have to reap the fruits of your deeds. बस अब यही बाकी था सुनने को. Only this was left to hear. Only this was left to hear. बारिश की परवाह किए बिना वह स्कूल गया। He went to school regardless of the rain. He went to school regardless of the rain. उसे देर रात तक जागने की आदत है। He has a habit of staying up late. He has a habit of staying up late. मैंने तुम्हें अपना समझा था। I had considered you my own. I had considered you my own. मैंने तुझे पहले ही आगाह किया था। I had warned you earlier. Warned यानी आगाह करना। I had warned you earlier. अब सब कुछ बेकार हो चुका है। Everything is useless now. Everything is useless now. तुमने बहुत बड़ी गलती कर दी। You have made a huge mistake. You have made a huge mistake. बात को समझने की कोशिश करो। Try to understand the matter. Try to understand the matter. जरा सोच समझकर फैसला लो। Think carefully before making a decision. Think carefully before making a decision. सपने देखना मत छोड़ो। Don't stop dreaming. Don't stop dreaming. Dreaming यानी सपने देखना। तुम सच में छुपे रुस्तम हो। You are truly a dark horse. You are truly a dark horse. वह जोर जोर से खर्राटे ले रहा था। He was snoring loudly. He was snoring loudly. खर्राटे लेना यानी snoring. वह रातों रात प्रसिद्ध हो गया। He became famous overnight. He became famous overnight. ढोंग करने की जरूरत नहीं है। No need to pretend. No need to pretend. Pretend यानी ढोंग करना। उनमें से एक मेरा दोस्त है। One of them is my friend. One of them is my friend. इस पर मेरी मिली जुली राय है। I have mixed opinions about this. I have mixed opinions about this. वह मेरे पड़ोसियों में से एक है। He is one of my neighbors. He is one of my neighbors. क्या वह अंग्रेजी बोलता है? Does he speak English? Does he speak English? आप असली मुद्दे को घुमाओ मत। Don't divert from the real issue. Don't divert from the real issue. मैं मानता हूँ कि मैं गलत था। I admit I was wrong. I admit I was wrong. उस व्यापारी की गुंडों ने निर्दयी तरीके से हत्या कर दी थी। That businessman was brutally murdered by the goons. That businessman was brutally murdered by the goons. ऐसा कभी सोचना भी मत। Don't even think so. Don't even think so. वह डरा हुआ है। He is frightened. He is frightened. चप्पा चप्पा छान मारो. Search every nook and corner. Search every nook and corner.